First-time home buyer ka ba?
Ito ang 3 tips na para sa'yo at swak sa budget mo. Unang tip, pumili ng bahay na swak sa budget. Dito sa Symphony Homes, payment starts at only at 8,800 for inner units at 13,000 para sa end unit. With reservation fee as low as 20,000 lang. Affordable, di ba?
Pangalawa, hindi lang bahay, dapat lifestyle ready din. May clubhouse, may pool, may gym, may game rooms, jogging lawns and sports courts, co-working spaces at meron pa tayong co-park para sa fur babies mo. At pangatlo, location is everything. Malapit sa Mabalacat City Hall, Marquee Mall, SM City Clark, Clark International Airport, schools, hospitals, at mabilis pa ang access sa NLEX at STEX.
Kaya kung first time buyer ka, don't just settle for less.
Choose a home that gives you more than you expect.
Choose Symphony Homes, crafting homes with heart and harmony.
This is Mai.
And this is Tina.
For inquiries,
Message us now at Simple House Facebook page.